Hello geek and repair fans, welcome to another tutorial from troniccenter.com. Today we will show you how to replace SSD Pcie storage on 15-inch MacBook Pro A1398 Retina display. Get your tool ready, let's begin. Open the bottom case screws. Take the bottom case out. First thing first, disconnect the battery. Open the SSD screw. Pull the SSD gently out. Place the new SSD. Tied up the screws. Plug the battery. Close the bottom case and tied up the screws. Now your MacBook is ready to start. For your next repair project, please visit us at www.troniccenter.com to find all tools and original pre-owned part for your repair project. We hope you enjoyed this tech episode. Please do not forget like, share and subscribe for more upcoming tech videos. Thank you.